AGM.
And I'm Lid.
Today, we're going to be opening...
BoxyCharm.
Alright, today we're going to be opening up our April BoxyCharm. Oh my goodness, my favorite cardboard. Oh my gosh. Look. It's called Lunar Beauty Moon Prism Blush. Oh my gosh, it's a cheek palette. Oh my goodness, this packaging is incredible. This looks so cool.
I'm gonna be wanting to use that every day.
Oh my goodness, these are all just beautiful. Which one is your favorite?
And the pink moon, I think like all of like the four right here.
I think, oh my goodness, I can't pick, you guys. I think these all look incredible. Here,
Same.
Let's get a swatch really quick. Let's get a swatch of Pink Moon. We're going to put it on the back of my hand. And then we're going to take a swatch here of Gravity. We'll put that on my hand too. Just a really smooth formula. Oh, I like them so excited.
I like them all.
They are all just beautiful, honestly. All right, next we have Lip and Cheek Multi-Stick by Lucky Chick. It's called Lucky Life.
Oh, wait, so you can use it for your lip or cheek?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, that's cool.
Look at that color. She doesn't really smell like anything. She kind of smells like a crayon.
Yeah.
All right, you guys. Is it crayon, crayon, or crown? Please type that below. All right, Lid, let's have you try this out today. Put your lips out. Okay, rub that in your lips. That's your cheek. She blends in so nice. What do you think?
I like it so much. Look at that.
Dude, we're going to be blushing it up in this one, it looks like. All right, next we have Hydrating Eye Cream by First Aid Beauty. And it says it's safe for sensitive skin. Ooh.
Yay!
Oh, what does she smell like?
It kind of smells like a peach plus strawberry.
It kind of smells like a plant.
Yeah, that's
like a green plant.
It's like grass.
Yeah, that's what it smells like.
Right.
All right, next we have MISCHO Beauty. It's a liquid eyeshadow. Oh, ooh.
The gold.
Just like a little light pale gold. Oh, that feels good. I don't even know how to describe that. You can kind of like blend it in too. Make her kind of like shiny and lighter. All right, last but not least, we have Lengthening and Volumizing Mascara. Smudge Proof. Oh, that's cool. No chill on the side. And it looks like she's in the color brown, which I am always dying for like a brown mascara or like a brown eyeliner. I think it looks so great and it's like not so harsh on my eyes. She's got a really interesting wand and I think the packaging looks super unique. I cannot wait to try this. All right, Lid, what was your favorite product here today?
This one, palette.
You like the blush palette? I think I'm really excited for this brown mascara. I cannot wait to try this. Bye, everybody!